की डेफिनेशन क्या है आपके लिए?
वेल मोर इज़ जैसे हमारे ट्रेलर में आपने देखा what you sometimes what you want might not be exactly what you need. So like in the trailer we're saying like what do you want? Do you want to eat unlimited pizza and never become fat, or you want six pack abs without going to the gym? So when you tell someone this, they think कि और क्या चाहिए life में, and you want six pack abs without going to the gym, right? What more do you want? But you don't realize that that's not really important once you lose something that you actually that actually means a lot to you, like a parent. I've lost my dad, so I know the grief of losing a parent. Like you can't compare it to anything else in the world. For me, I think you can't even compare it to anything. And probably when something like that happens, you realize that all these other things like a new phone or a new car or things like this are not important at all. So when Kevin and Kabir narrated this film to me, I was like, this is a very very emotional story. If I do it really well and pull it off, I think I can make a lot of people cry. And there's this whole monologue that happens, that last monologue, which is like a 3-minute thing. So he asked me, he was like, can you do it in one take, and can you cry and all and do it? And I was like, yeah, let's do this. So I think we pulled it off because whoever's watched it has really enjoyed it, so I'm quite happy.
And ये पोस्टर में दो लड़की, दोनों आप ही हैं?
हाँ, दोनों मैं।
एक ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल है और एक बहुत ही इमोशनल है, आंखों में आंसू है, तो थोड़ा बताइए क्या हो रहा है?
सो दिस इज श्रुति, आई मीन दोनों श्रुति है। श्रुति की कहानी है जो एक फर्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट है. सो शी इज़ लाइक ऑल यंग people. I don't want to really stereotype, but a lot of people nowadays, not even young, a lot of people are on their phone all day. Even जब भी आप थिएटर में हो, instead of watching the movie, people are on their phone telling people what they think of the movie that they're watching. No one's actually doing the things they are. जब भी आप डिनर टेबल पे बैठे हो तो instead of talking to the person next to you, everyone's on their phone. So she's a girl like that. वो फ़ोन पे है. She doesn't really care what her parents say. If they give her any advice or something, she finds it really irritating and very annoying because like why are you advising me? मुझे पता है मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में. मुझे पता है मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. So like don't talk, you know, till she takes people for granted, and then it's about how she like loses her parents. And the jacket is a very important character in this hooded fur jacket is a very important character in our film, and yeah, it's an emotional thing. I don't know how much I should give away for those who haven't watched it, but it's a nice emotional thing. So she's happy and everything's normal. Her life is perfect. She lives with her parents and lives a perfect life. They're well-to-do. Her mom makes her dabba also and gives her. And she's like, "Arey, why are you making me dabba? I'll figure out food." She comes home late at night. Her parents don't really say anything. She's given a lot of freedom also, but she realizes how important they were in her life and how she was just taking them for granted.
ओके, मैंने वेब सीरीज़ तो नहीं देखी. मैंने जो ट्रेलर देखा, ट्रेलर में ढेरों सारी लाइनें आप यूज़ करती हैं.
हाँ.
सिनेमा का इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है, डिप्रेशन का क्या है, आपका कौन सा फेवरेट है?
So it is about depression. I think the film deals with her getting depressed. It starts off with Shruti जो डिप्रेशन में है. So ये बताती है कि ये डिप्रेशन में क्यों है. She's sitting with a psychiatrist and वो अपनी कहानी बता रही है. So that is what the film is about. So yeah, I think it's really nice. I like the teaser कि वो switch over होता है. It starts off when you think कि it's happy and you're talking about frivolous stuff like you know, like what do you want, a new car or your new house or stuff like that, and then it gets like really serious and emotional towards the end where you're like, I don't know where this is headed, and then I'm like in tears at the end. So I like the switch over. Yes, it's about a girl who's in depression. It's not about how she it's not about what you should do when you're in depression. Actually, it's a movie about how she got into depression. So yeah.
एंड ये वेब सीरीज़ की दुनिया की अगर हम बात करें, कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस? डेब्यू है आपके लिए
जी.
कितने पार्ट होंगे आपके?
नहीं, ये फिल्म है. इट्स अ स्टैंड अलोन फिल्म. इट हैज़ अ बिगिनिंग एंड एन एंड. वेब सीरीज़ नहीं है. इट वाज अ 4-day शूट दैट वी डिड. सो इट्स लाइक अ शॉर्ट फिल्म दैट्स अ स्टैंड अलोन फिल्म. इट्स नॉट एन एपिसोड ऑफ एनीथिंग. इट्स नॉट.
तो ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है लाइक Zee5 पे ऑन है, ये इसे कैसे देखते हैं? क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं ढेरों सारी वेब सीरीज, ढेरों सारी फिल्में ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म पर आ रही हैं. चाहे नेटफ्लिक्स की बात करें, Zee5 की बात करें, Amazon की बात करें, लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आ रहा है. आपने भी डेब्यू किया है, तो इस प्लेटफॉर्म को कैसे देखते हैं?
आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट कि Zee5 ने मुझे मौका दिया टू टेल दिस स्टोरी, जहाँ पे आई हैव दिस ऑसम कैरेक्टर. क्योंकि एज एन एक्टर आई थिंक बहुत ही फुलफिलिंग है व्हेन यू गेट अ गुड कैरेक्टर जहाँ पे आप परफॉर्म कर सकते हो, सबको दिखा सकते हो. आप यू नो, आप एक कैरेक्टर को यू कैन ब्रिंग योर कैरेक्टर टू लाइफ. So I think I'm really lucky to have this, and I'm very thankful to the guys at Zee5 who are pitching this in such a big way, who put it out there for everyone to watch. Yes, a lot of people do watch web, nowadays. It's not just restricted to only films. A lot of films web पे आ जाती है बहुत जल्दी, like 1 or 2 weeks में you find them online also, and it's nice. It's a whole new world. This is my first thing that I'm doing here, so I'm very excited and I'm happy people have really liked it. And with this film I've seen ki audience is for web is so big, so I would love to do more stuff on the web also, but like really nice stuff. Now this is really nice and I've got such great feedback, so I want to do really really good stuff.
और आपकी मम्मा ने देखी ये वेब सीरीज?
हाँ, my mom and my granny saw it first.
क्या फीडबैक? क्योंकि हम देखते हैं आपकी जो भी स्टंट वाली पिक्चर आती है, आप स्टंट छत पे करते हो, आप वो सभी बहुत ही ध्यान से देखते हैं हम।
My mom teaches me actually, वो मेरी ट्रेनर है।
आपकी ट्रेनर भी है?
हाँ, so and she's very honest, like my mom is honest enough to like suppose हम लोग like मैंने एक फोटोशूट किया और मैं बहुत अगली लग रही हूँ, she'll be like this is very ugly and you look really bad in this, so she's very honest with me. मेरी ग्रैनी बिल्कुल honest नहीं है, उनको सब अच्छा लगता है, मैं कुछ भी करूँ इवन अगर वो हॉरेबल हो तो शील से दिस इज़ द बेस्ट एंड माई ग्रैंड डॉटर इज़ द बेस्ट, तो उनका रिव्यू तो इतना आई कांट टेक सीरियसली बिकॉज वो मेरी सबसे बड़ी फ़ैन है. So, but she saw the film and she started crying. My mum got very emotional when she saw it, and my mum and me are not very emotional. We're very emotional people. We don't show our emotions really. But unki aankhein bhar gayi when she watched it. So I was like, okay, I've done a really good job, I'm sure with this. I wish my dad was alive. I think he would have really enjoyed this film. He really liked watching people doing like subtle acting. He hates when people do stuff. So I think he would really really like this film. So. Yeah, I think people's parents will really like it. I sent it to a friend of mine and she showed it to her parents and they really loved it. So I'm glad it's a film that is going both ways. Really young people and their parents are also liking it. So.
And इसके अलावा आपकी फिल्म भी आ रही है.
Yes.
तो बताइए कि कमांडो 3 तो बताइए कि शूटिंग आपने कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
Almost complete हो चुका है. There's like patchwork left. We've announced a release date which is September 20th this year. And बहुत सारा action है. There's I'm playing the same character Bhavna Reddy जो ऐसा ही बात करेंगा. तो people really liked her in part 2, so they repeated her in part 3, and I'm lucky as a heroine to be repeated in the next franchise of such a big action film. I'm getting to do a lot of action also in this, beating up big guys and flying kicks and backflips, so it's fun. I've really enjoyed myself. I broke my finger during the shoot. It's healed now fully. I can bend my hand. It took me 4 months to do this, but now finally I can do this. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this film.
And जो आपकी एक different tone में आप आती हैं
जी,
तो वो जो एक भी अंदाज दिखाना चाहेंगे? बात करेंगे.
हाँ, मैं वैसा ही बात कर रही हूँ. ये फिल्म में भी मैं ऐसा ही बात कर रही हूँ. तो people really like that. नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसा कुछ करेंगा तो मैं बोल रही मैं कुछ ज़बरदस्त प्यार हो जाएगा तुम्हारे से मैं चपका दूंगी एक दो. ही स्माइलिंग फ्रॉम देयर आई कैन सी. तो इसमें आपको और पसंद आएगा बिकॉज वो उससे भी शरारती है, उससे भी पार्ट 2 से भी और ज़्यादा पागल है और ज़्यादा एक्शन करती है. पर पार्ट 2 में जो पागलपन था वो डबल हो गया है इसमें. सो देयर इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ मैडनेस. वो बहुत सरकास्टिक है और फनी है. तो बाहर से शी इज़ लाइक एंजेलिना जोली और अंदर से शी इज़ जॉनी लीवर, इफ आई हैव टू से. I hope people enjoy it. Yeah, that's my main thing. I think I'm one of the very fortunate actresses जिनको इतना fan following है, जो बहुत loyal है. मैं जो भी करती हूँ लोगों को पसंद आता है. मैं न्यूज़पेपर ड्रेस पहन के रेड कार्पेट पे जाती हूँ तो लोग मुझे प्यार देते हैं. मैंने नोज रिंग और हाँ, और आप लोग भी मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट करते हो. आई एम वेरी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट. आई एम नोटिस कि कुछ एक्ट्रेसेस को लोग इतना सपोर्ट नहीं करते जो मुझे मिलता है सपोर्ट. जो भी मैं पागलपंती करती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे जो वीडियोस डालती हूँ या मैं एक सीरियस फिल्म करती हूँ या I feel really lucky, yeah, and I think half the credit is because मेरा debut 1920 था and people saw me in that. So now it's like अदा कुछ करेगी मतलब अलग करेगी. So they wait for that. So I'm quite fortunate and lucky, I think so.
And इसके अलावा अदा जी you and प्रभु देवा कुछ
yes
वो मूवी कर रहे थे.
Charlie Chaplin 2. So that just released and it did really really well. That song, the song actually was what was released first and I got like really cool feedback from it. The one I sang also. And yeah, it's nice to do films in different languages, different roles. That was an out and out commercial film जहाँ पे it was like an out and out comedy and that was I had dance and it was a fun entertainer. This is like a mild soft, more on the real side film. Commando is an action film. I'm also doing a Telugu film, Kalki, which is a big period film where I'm wearing like saris and being very demure and all. So I was shooting Commando and that simultaneously. So Commando I'm being this badass full on and then in Kalki I'm being this demure, sweet. So we were doing alternate days of that. I hope I pulled them off both well now.
Okay, एक सवाल ये था कि टोटल कितनी लैंग्वेज आती है आपको? हिंदी, इंग्लिश, साउथ की
Telugu, Tamil. I'm a Tamilian, so Tamil I know.
हिंदी, इंग्लिश, तेलुगु, तमिल.
Marathi I had in school higher level, so I've studied in Maharashtra. So
5 languages. गुजराती.
Gujarati I can understand, but I can't speak. Punjabi, Gujarati I can understand, but to speak these 5, yes.
So अगर तेलुगु में आपने आप तमिलियन.
हाँ, मैं तमिलियन हूँ. हाँ,
हमारी फिल्म आ रही है मोह, आप वेब सीरीज पे आज कैसे बोलेंगे इसे?
Actually, before saying that, I should say that the response was so good for Mo. They are dubbing it into 4 languages now. So the guys from Z5 just told me, so I'm very happy for that. So എന്നോട് film Mo release ആയച്ച്, so please Z5 पातको.
एंड एक आखिरी जाते जाते ये पूछना चाहेंगे कि 11 तारीख से हमारे हिंदुस्तान में वोटिंग चालू होगी.
जी.
बहुत ही बड़ी डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है.
जी.
वोटिंग बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है.
जी.
आप अपने फैंस को, लोगों को वोट के प्रति क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं?
I think well, please vote. You know you should. I think people know now. It's a responsible thing to do. Please go vote. It's nice to hear someone say it. Maybe it'll ring another bell in their head and they know कि vote करना चाहिए, because it's really important. You're voting for someone who's taking your country forward, who's taking care of your country. Please vote for someone who you can trust, I think, who you know will take care of you and your country. And it's easy for people to say that हमारे roads अच्छे नहीं है, potholes है, ये है. It's very easy to crib, but if you're cribbing, then instead of that, like, vote for someone who you think will take care of this and change it. Someone who will bring change, someone who will do something for the country.